Welcome to our tutorial on how to change your email notification settings on Etsy. Whether you're looking to receive fewer emails or customize the types of notifications you receive, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, log into your Etsy account using your username and password. Next, hover over your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, navigate to the Notification Settings tab from the list of options on the left side of the screen. Here, you can customize your email preferences by selecting or deselecting the checkboxes or drop-down menus according to your preferences. You can choose to receive emails for order updates, promotions, tips and ideas, and more. Once you've made the desired changes, don't forget to click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of your page to apply your new email notification settings. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email notification settings on Etsy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.